16 we are given if e raised to y into x plus 1 equal to 1, then so that means you have to prove d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx square. Done. So now solution, let given equation is e raised to y into x plus 1 equal to 1. This is our given equation. So differentiate on both sides, with respect to x. इसको हम suppose हम result 1 मान लें. So if we differentiate this one on both sides, we are getting e raised to y into differentiation of this x plus 1 is 1 plus 0. It's a 1. Again, x plus 1 as it is, and differentiation of this e raised to y is e raised to y into differentiation of y is dy by dx. That is equal to 0. Now students, if you can see that x plus y is x plus 1 into e raised to y is nothing but the 1. So put the value of result 1 in this term, and therefore we are getting e raised to y into 1 is e raised to y plus from result 1 this term equal to 1 into dy by dx. Done. Equal to 0. And therefore we can write our first order derivative dy by dx is nothing but the minus e raised to y. Minus e raised to y. Say result 2. Now again differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So this differentiation of this dy by dx is d square y by dx square. This minus sign as it is, and again differentiation of e raised to y is e raised to y into dy by dx. Now again student, from result 2 we can write this minus e raised to y equal to dy by dx, and therefore this one is d square y by dx square equal to minus e raised to y. From result 2 we can write minus e raised to y as a dy by dx. So this one is dy by dx into dy by dx. So dy by dx into dy by dx is nothing but the dy by dx whole square. So our last result is d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx whole square, and that you have to prove. Clear? Now last sum, question number 17. Here we are given y equal to tan inverse x whole square, and you have to prove that x square plus 1 whole square into y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y1 equal to y2 and y1 are there. Means what, we have to find the higher order derivative up to 2. That means second order derivative. So let's start with the given y. So let y equal to tan inverse x whole square. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x will give us dy by dx is 2 into tan inverse x into again differentiation of tan inverse x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Done. This is first order derivative. Say result 1. Now differentiate on both sides again with respect to x. So we are getting d square y by dx square equal to, now here it's a quotient rule. So denominator as it is, it's a 1 plus x square. It is a 1 plus x square, and differentiation of this 2 into tan inverse x, which is 2 into 1 plus x square. minus 2 into tan inverse x numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator which is 2x whole divided by denominator which is 1 plus x square whole square. Simplify this. This is 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square will be cut. So here we are getting d square y by dx square equal to, this is only 2 minus, this one is 2 tan inverse x into 2x. 2 tan inverse x into 2x. And also we can write this 1 plus x square whole square in multiplication of this one. So we are having 1 plus x square whole square into d square y by dx square equal to 2 minus 2 tan inverse x into 2x. Clear? Now students, this 2 into tan inverse x, this can be replaced with 1 plus x square into dy by dx from result 1 and taking this one in the right hand side. So our answer is 1 plus x square into d square y by dx square, taking this term on the right hand side. So it's a plus and replacing this 2 tan inverse x as a 1 plus x square into dy by dx into this 2x equal to 2. Done? So we are using our notation d square y by dx square is y2 and here whole square is there, तो यहाँ पर square आएगा. It's a 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 equal to 2. That we have to prove. Clear students? This is your exercise number 5.7. From very next lecture, sorry, it's a 5.6. From very next lecture, we will study exercise number, 5.7. We will study exercise number 5.8. It is Rolle's theorem. Clear? अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो अपना माइक अनम्यूट करो.